So let's see today's lovely recipe of jelly and custard cups. Now first we're going to set the jelly, which happens really quickly. Now all I've done is I've taken a jelly packet, and that they have two powders, and you just have to mix these powders really well. And then I'm using half a liter of 500 ml of water. Now one powder is depending on the flavor you've taken. So I'm using raspberry. I've just mixed the powders really well. Now I'm going to add half a liter of water to a pan, and I'm going to bring this to a gentle boil, and then I'm going to add this powder mix to the pan. Look at the beautiful color. Immediately the water gets a beautiful color, and you're just going to stir the powder really well because you want it to get nicely mixed up with the water. And then you're just going to stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the mixture thickens. And then I'm just going to transfer them into these little glasses, or you can even use bowls. And then we're just going to refrigerate this for about half an hour or even 15 minutes. The jelly gets set very fast. So you can refrigerate this for 15 minutes or for half an hour. Basically, we just want the jelly to be nice and set so we can pour the custard on top of it. And now we're going to make the custard. So for that, again, I've taken a packet of custard and I'm going to be using 2.5 tablespoons of custard powder. To that, I'm going to be adding 125 ml of milk, and I'm going to stir it in well till we get a nice smooth paste. Now I'm using the vanilla flavor of custard. That goes really well with, if you're using raspberry jelly or strawberry jelly. My jelly, I'm using the raspberry flavor. Now I'm going to add 375 milliliters of milk, and I'm going to add 50 grams or 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the milk, and I'm going to stir this really well and bring it to a gentle boil. So see that all of the sugar really gets nicely dissolved in the milk. And now I'm going to add this custard powder and milk paste that we just prepared to this, and we're going to keep stirring till the mixture thickens. Now it thickens really fast. Within about 2 to 3 minutes, your mixture will be really thick, and it will start coating the sides of your spoon or spatula. That means it's ready, so you can turn off the heat. See, it actually coats the sides of the spoon. And now we're first going to check whether the jelly is set. So you can see that the jelly is nice and set. And so now we're just going to pour this custard on top of the jelly. Please ensure that your jelly is set, otherwise the custard will go right through the jelly and you won't get this lovely, jelly and custard look that we're going for. So now just pour this on top of the jelly. And once that is done, just going to tap the tray a bit so that it evens out everything. And I've just put the glasses in this small little tray. That way they all, you can put it in your refrigerator very easily. And now I'm going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes till the custard sets nicely. And after 30 minutes, I'm just going to garnish this with some lovely chopped almonds. You can use pistachios or cashew nuts just to make it look a little more festive and pretty. And that's it, friends. Your lovely jelly and custard cups are all ready to enjoy, and they are best when they are really nice and chill. So leave them in your refrigerator for at least an hour or two. And when they're nice and chill, you can just enjoy this beautiful dessert. And they, you just scoop it up like this so you get the jelly and the custard together. It's really amazing.
I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.